Hi, my name is Mohammed, and today I'm going to discuss a topic which is called equivalent fraction. So, before going to equivalent fractions, I'm going to refresh quickly about what is a fraction. So, basically, fraction means part of whole. For example, there is a garlic bread. I will make two parts for this garlic bread. And I finish half of this. So it means there are two parts of this garlic bread. It means total number of parts. And this is the part which I finish, which is called numerator, and the bottom part called denominator. So, what is a fraction? The fraction is a part of whole garlic bread. I finish half of it and half is remaining. So this is called fraction, which I discussed in my last video. So same as equivalent fraction. Okay, so how we describe about the equivalent fraction? Look at this garlic bread and look at this garlic bread. Same, I will make two parts for this garlic bread. And I will make four parts for this garlic bread. So this garlic bread, I finish one piece out of two. And the garlic bread, the second one, I finish two slices out of four. So in terms of number, like 1/2, these are the numbers. So in terms of the numbers are different. Look at here. I finish 2 out of 4. And here I finish 1 out of 2. But in terms of value, if I ask about overall, I finish what number? So I would say, so overall I finish half of the garlic bread, and also here half of the garlic bread. Although the numbers are different. Look at here, numerator 1, but here are the numerator is 2. Denominator is 2, but the denominator is 4. So numbers are different, but the value are same. This is called equivalent fractions. So if I'm asking you what is a equivalent fraction, so you can say they have different numerator and different denominator, but they have same value. So the value will be same, but the numbers are different. So which is called equivalent fraction. So now I'm going to discuss how we can solve equivalent fraction. So if I say 1 over 2 equal this missing part 8. So what number should be here to make equivalent fraction? So the easiest way, we need to check denominator here. Okay, so 2, what times you times 2 to get the answer 8. So if I times here by 1, so the answer will be 2 times 1 is 2. The same, if I do the 2 times 2, the answer is 4. The same way, if I do the 2 times 3, the answer is 6. But if I times by 4, so you will get the answer 8. It means if you times with 4, so you will get the answer 8. The same as you need to times 4 with the top part as well. So 1 times 4 is 4. So always remember, okay, when you are calculating equivalent fractions, either you can do times or you can divide the number which are available. So in the next example, I'm going to give you the example like so in the second example, look at here, okay? So it means this one 6 to 24, okay? So it means if we divide by 4, if you divide by 4, so you get the answer 6. Same as if you divide with the top part, you will get the answer 1. You take another example here. 2 over 24 so in this example we can see this is 24 to 12. So what number we need to divide by to get the answer 2? So 24 divided by 2, you will get the answer 12. So same as you need to divide by 2, so you will get the answer 1. So what we are doing? 7 times 2, which is equal to 14. So same as what number, okay, times 2 to get the answer 16. So it means you need to times by 8, or 16 divided by 2, you will get the answer 8. So this is called equivalent fraction. The all examples, they have a different numbers. It means they have different numerator and different denominator, but the values are same. How the values are same? Look at here, okay? This is 4 over 8 and this is 1 over 2. If you simplify this one, 4 times 1 is, I'm going to further explain about how the value are same, okay? Look at here, okay? 4 times 1 is 1 and 4 times 2 is 8. So it means if you simplify these two fractions, the value are coming 1 over 2. And look at here, okay? The value are 1 over 2. So if you simplify this one, so the value are coming same. 1 over 2 equal to 1 over 2. So the value are same for this fraction, but the numbers are different, which is called equivalent fraction. Now I'm going to give you more examples, and you need to pause my video just a couple of minutes and try to solve these examples, and I'm going to carry on my working. So just pause my video and let me over 20 equal to So these are the example. You can try to solve this one, okay? And pause your video and I'm solving, then you will check later on, okay? So it means so can you match your answer now, okay? So under the first example, what we did, okay, so it says 20. So 20 divided by 4, you will get the answer 5. Okay, the same as if you do the lower part, so you can do the upper part same. Okay, so dividing by 4 in the bottom, so you're dividing, by top as well. Okay, so you will get the answer 4. Okay, and the second example, okay, look at here. If you 40 divided by 2, get the answer 20. The same as you need to divide by 2 on the top, which is answer is coming 2. In the third example, here is 10, here is 5, so it means you divide it by 2 to get the answer 5. So same as you need to divide with the denominator, which is 12 divided by 2, you get the answer 6. And in fourth example, which is very easy, 4 times 4, you can get the 16. So you need to times with the bottom as well with the same number, which is 4. So 5 times 4, you will get the answer 20. And 1 times 2 is 2. Okay, so same as you need to times 8 times 2 is 16. So this is called equivalent fractions. So the values are same, but the numbers are different, which is called equivalent fractions. So this topic is very important when we are discussing about addition, subtraction of the fractions for a like denominator and unlike denominator. Okay, which is very helpful how to solve like a fractions with an unlike or like denominator one. So if you like this video, okay, please subscribe and see you in the next video. Bye.